Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Noiseshots new wireless in-ear headphones. They're actually true wireless earphones. And let's get right into unboxing these. So as you pull these out, you notice that the charging case and the earphones. The very first thing you see right here is the micro USB charging cable. So here we also see that you have a few extra ear tips. Let's extract these right now. So you can pick and choose. Also right here we have the mediums already installed on the earbuds. Right here is the card where you can register your product and you can claim a 1-year warranty for your device. And this is the user manual. So now let's take a look at the charging case of the Noiseshots Neo True Wireless Earphones. As you can see, they have a glossy white finish all over, and the case is actually predominantly made out of plastic, and the Noise logo is smacked right in the middle. It pops out considerably, but they could have been a little more fancy with it. So if you open these up, you will see that the insides have a matte grey finish, and they also have the golden pins here for the magnetic connection, and they also have an indent for your earphones to rest comfortably. The case is also magnetic and it does have quite a satisfying snap, and overall it's a very pocketable case. It's tiny, it can easily fit in your palm or your pocket, and yes, it also has this at the back, which is the micro USB port, which we wish was a Type-C, but we will make do. So basically, to turn on these earphones, all you need to do is open the case and then pull these earphones out and they are turned on. And you do the inverse for turning them off, put them back in and then just shut the case, and that's it. Right here on the front, you have an LED indicator which tells you how much battery life your case still has left. So we have about 75% at the moment. And the LED light on these earphones tells you that they are currently charging since they are glowing blue. So when it comes to battery life, the earphones themselves have a battery life of 6 hours and take about 2 hours to charge, while the case has an additional 12 hours. So it's a total of 18 hours of battery life with these. The earphones also have 9mm speaker drivers, and they come with Bluetooth 5.0, which gives them about a 10-meter range or a 33 feet range. They also come with IPX5 water and sweat resistance, as we mentioned before. And yeah, they're quite a feature-laden pair of affordable earphones. Now let's look at the touch controls of the earbuds themselves. So basically, a single tap on either the right or left side will play or pause the music. To go to the previous track, you simply have to double tap the left earphone, and to go to the next track, you simply have to double tap the right earphone. For volume up, you have to press and hold the right or left earphone respectively. The right will increase the volume, the left will decrease the volume. Also, if you want to summon your phone's voice assistant, you can simply triple tap either the right or the left earbud, which will call on your voice assistant, which can be either Google Assistant or Siri in your case. So that is it for the touch controls of the Noiseshots Neo True Wireless Earbuds. Overall, these earbuds are quite ergonomic. They feel pretty sturdy, pretty robust, while also being quite lightweight. The charging case is quite pocketable, and overall we really like that it is a feature-laden pair of true wireless earphones, but they're also affordable. Thank you so much for watching this video.